everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. I'm here today to show you two really quick, when I say quick styles, I mean quick styles. So let me show you. So I'm not even going to put product in my hair. So I'm thinking to myself, I do my hair before the shower and it looks so cute, and I try and recreate it later on and I can't do it. But I think this is the method. I think this is why we can't do it when we want to do it. So I'm not going to bother with any product. I'm just going to kind of decide what bits to leave out. You can do the same. So that is what I've decided to leave out, and then I'm just going to kind of drag the front back just with my fingers like so, and then I'm going to turn around for you. So you're just directing all that hair into a pony. I've just come slightly off the neck, and then you're honestly just going to get your hands and grab, scoop and grab, scoop and grab. I'm going to come back to the front. So can you see that there's like this lift at the front? So I'm just keeping on grabbing hold, like not even trying to like create any kind of like style. So I kind of like how that's lifted here. And then you'll just get a claw clip, and then you've just got to fit all this hair. So make sure your claw clip is big enough and just squidge that in, and that is it. You ponytail and then just scoop and just push the hair, and it gives you like kind of like this lift at the top as you're doing it. So that is style number one, literally seconds. I'm going to show you another style now. You will need just a couple of grips for this style. So speedy style number two, same thing. I am going to leave out some bits. You can use a brush with this one if you want to. So once you're happy with how the front is looking, you can curl these if you want to. I'm going to show you the back. So you're going to hold the ponytail with your left hand, come in with your right hand and your thumb, so this thumb here, and you're going to hook this thumb through and then twist all the way around to create like a cute little loop here. You're then going to come to this piece of hair with a long hair grip and just literally push it in. And just pin that little loop to your head. And then this little tail I'm just going to tuck underneath here. That is the finished style. Literally 2 minutes for both styles. That has got to be a record. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.